All right, guys, 2018 BMW 440i. This is the old muffler that was on it. That's how they come factory. As you guys can see, side entrance, rear exit. It's got a flap on it there that we just zip tie away. We unplug and zip tie away. So what we got done on it for you guys, did a muffler delete. Still got the factory converter up there somewhere. Secondary resonator there. Another bottle resonator there. I would recommend not taking these off, guys, because I remember we did it on a 3 series and he came back, the drone was just horrendous. So if you guys do it, leave these 2 resonators on it and just do a muffler delete. So we had to do a custom Y pipe for it there, and then 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back on each side to complete the muffler delete. And then we put some carbon fiber 3.5-inch black tips there and there. There'll be a link in the description for them. That's what it looks like after with a muffler delete. Sound decibels on it. Wow, it's barely, it's like 91. You need more. But drive this first and see before, make sure there's no drone. Yeah, like it's restricted. Yeah. Go ahead and back it up. Yeah, that takes again. This is in sport mode, guys. Now it's got the armor. Yeah, much better. Again. Good. Yeah, the comfort mode, man, was. It's good for long trips, I guess. Let you guys hear it on the inside.